everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time, welcome. So today I'm going to show you how I change my thumbnail or add my thumbnail using my phone, because usually the thumbnails YouTube give us is like whack as whack. So yeah, this video is going to show you how I change my thumbnail using my phone. I would put a blue arrow to be showing you like directions, because on the phone there is no arrow, so you have to follow the blue arrow to get what I'm saying. Okay, yeah, so let's get right into this video. Go to the YouTube Studio app. If you're a small YouTuber, you should have this. Every YouTuber should have it, and if you're watching this video, you are most likely a YouTuber. So yeah, you click the YouTube Studio. Yeah, and you click on any of the videos you want to add your thumbnail to. I would use this one for experiment because I don't care much for that video. I don't mind changing the thumbnail. Yeah, so you go to edit this pencil here. You can edit it, and then you click on this pencil here. Now YouTube gives you options for your thumbnail. You can see 3 options, but you don't want YouTube's option because it's usually not good enough. So you just click on change, and then you pick any of the ones you have. Let me just click one of my pictures. You can click any of the pictures you have, and then select. Click on select, and boom, you've changed your thumbnail. It's not hard at all. It's just as easy as can be. Yeah, and that's it. You've changed it. Then you just click save to, yeah, and it's saved. Just that easy.